Hello there, budding artists and imaginative souls, and welcome to the enchanting world of easy peasy art. We're absolutely delighted to have you join us for a magical art session today. Prepare to embark on a whimsical journey as we craft the most adorable pumpkin pear you've ever laid eyes on. So go ahead and gather your art supplies because the fun is about to begin. Our artistic adventure begins by fashioning a plump, perfectly round pumpkin. But we won't stop there. We'll infuse it with oodles of personality. Picture this: two round, expressive eyes right in the center. Delicate eyelashes to give it a touch of elegance. And a warm little smile nestled in the heart of it all. Our pumpkin is turning into quite the charmer. Of course, we can't forget the squirrel stem and a dainty leaf to complete the look. But the laughter doesn't end there. Right beside our first pumpkin, we'll create its comical companion, a long, jolly pumpkin with a stem of its own. This one is all about fun. So we'll give it two small, mischievous eyes and a wide-open mouth, showcasing two top teeth and two bottom teeth. Together, this pair exudes sheer joy, like two friends reveling in the delights of autumn. To set the stage for our pumpkins, we'll sketch fallen leaves aplenty. Some gracefully float in the breeze above, while others rest upon the ground. And for that extra touch of authenticity, don't forget to include a generously sized pumpkin leaf. It's as though our pumpkins have chosen the perfect spot for a photo op in a splendid fall setting. Now, here comes the fun part, adding vibrant colors to our delightful creation. And we'll even add two cute circles to her cheeks for that blushing effect. Our lady pumpkin deserves a warm, inviting shade of orange. The cozy hues of orange and yellow will paint our round pumpkin. And a dash of orange detail will bring it to life. The larger oval pumpkin will wear a rich, deep orange hue. And a smattering of spots here and there will add character. When it's time to color those leaves, let your creativity run wild with the brilliant palette of fall and rich olive greens. Fiery reds. Golden yellows. Make them as vibrant as the autumn breeze. And there you have it, a drawing that's so cute and whimsical. If you're as excited as we are about creating art that's fun and imaginative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art.